Today's home tour is a little more special. The homeowner actually grew up in this very block, having lived here for 40 years before moving away. After spending the next 9 years in different homes, he and his partner were looking for a place to settle down for long term. Just as they were searching, a unit in the same block came up for sale, and it felt like the perfect opportunity to return to a place full of memories. What drew him back wasn't just familiarity, but also the transformation happening around the area. From the upcoming MRT to the reimaginations of the former Tanjong Pagar railway station. It felt like the right time to return and reimagine the space in a way that reflects both past and the present. This 5-room resale flat at Spottiswoode Park Road measures about 130 square meters. The goal was to create a calm, spacious home that flows naturally with daily life. The space was redesigned with a modern luxe and contemporary approach. Soft, calming tones and layered lighting help with the home feel serene and airy. Starting at the entrance, the original layout was reworked. The common bathroom used to face the doorway, so Kate from the design team added a full-height cabinets to add a more intentional sense of arrival. One side functions as the foyer, with storage for shoes, while the other flows into the kitchen, concealing the fridge and wine chiller and make the space feel larger and more connected. With the kitchen extended, the common bathroom was also designed to feel less prominent within the space. The wall is clad in wood laminate with a concealed door so it does not stand out within the kitchen. Inside, a light blue feature wall keeps the space calm, while the marble-look flooring with subtle black mosaics adds depth and visual interest without overwhelming the space. From here, the layout flows into the kitchen. With the extension, there's now more room to cook and bake comfortably. Just beyond the kitchen is a movable island that doubles as a dining table. It tucks away neatly when not in use, while hidden storage keep extra chairs ready but out of sight. When hosting, the island can be pulled out to create a flexible dining setup, allowing guests to gather comfortably without interrupting the flow of the home. In front of the dining area is a striking feature that adds personality to the space, a piece that looks like a floral painting but is actually made of tiles the homeowners were drawn to while selecting their tiles finishes. Kate incorporated it by adding a frame, turning it into a distinctive element that ties the dining area together beautifully. The kitchen opens up into the dining and living areas, making the space feel more connected. In the living room, the TV feature wall is kept minimal, allowing subtle curves and texture to stand out. As the homeowners prefer a greater sense of height, the ceiling was kept as high as possible. Instead, an L-shaped ceiling detail with gentle curved edges was introduced, adding soft ambient lighting while maintaining an open feel. The curves also echo the rounded forms using throughout the home, creating a cohesive design language. Off the living area is the study, a quiet area for work or reading. The sliding door with lattice and fluted panel let in light while keeping things private. On the opposite wall, Kate created an arched niche that fits the homeowner's existing travel shelf perfectly. It also concealed the aircon piping, showing how a smart design can solve practical issues while keeping the things the homeowners love on display. Across the study is the master bedroom. The bronze-tinted mirror on the outside wall conceals the door and bounces the light around, helping the space feel airy. Inside, the room is kept calm and understated. The taupe lime wash bed head wall was designed not just for texture, but also to hide the aircon piping seamlessly. The round cove lighting above gives a soft, cozy glow while keeping the ceiling feeling tall. Along one wall, the wardrobe runs almost 4 meters, and a small glass display adds a subtle personal touch. The master bathroom was extended to feel more spacious and has become one of the most relaxing spots in the home. The homeowner likes that it can be accessed easily from the bedroom or from the hallway when needed. Terrazzo surfaces in the shower adds visual interest, while the overall palette keeps it calm and inviting. Across the hallway, the other room follows a similar language, the rounded ceiling details and taupe lime wash wall. The bedhead lighting gives a soft, warm glow while also concealing the aircon piping, and the space is also used for morning stretches or yoga. Every corner of the home feels considered, whether it is hidden piping, a soft curve, or the way light moves through the space. These subtle decisions make the home easy to live in, visually balanced and quietly personal. If you like this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.